everyone, just a quick one for today, turning you around. Alright, we have a 2016 Golf GTI turbo petrol, good fun to drive, and we have a problem with the turbo, and we have found it. Here we go. So this is the boost gauge actuator, or boost pressure actuator. So this moves in and out just to determine how much power the turbo gives the rest of the engine, to make sure that it doesn't go too far over or too far under. And that is not meant to be broken, that is meant to be connected in there. So here's our issue. We're going to replace the turbo and fix that up. And also, while we're there, we've got an oil leak from the intake system, and one of the ignition coils is broken. This is what it's meant to look like when it comes out. And I don't even know where I put it. Here we go. Okay, so this one came out. These were already throwing codes for misfires and everything, so we were already going to do the coils and plugs. But yeah, very obvious that this is a major part of our issue. So, turbo out, all 4 coils and spark plugs swapped out, and then put it all back together and have a great happy time without any boost problems or oil leaks. Sweet.